Hey guys, today's videos is about the extension of the types of pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun? Pronoun that refers to a person, thing in general, not in a specific way, is called indefinite pronoun. For an example, somebody recommended it. Here, somebody is indefinite pronoun because it is not specifically mentioning anyone or anything. The next type of pronoun is demonstrative pronoun. Pronouns which point out or highlights a noun or a pronoun is called demonstrative pronoun. For an example, this is your thing. Here, this is a demonstrative pronoun because it is highlighting things, and that is a noun. Interrogative pronoun. Pronouns which are used to ask questions are called interrogative pronouns. What is this? Let's take an example. What is this? Here, what is an interrogative pronoun? Because it is using to ask question. The next type of pronoun is reciprocal pronoun. It is the ninth type of pronoun and it is the last type of pronoun. What is a reciprocal pronoun? Pronouns which indicates that two or more person are or creature are performing same task or having tasks performed themselves is called a reciprocal pronoun. For an example, they are facing this each other. Here, each other is a reciprocal pronoun because they are more than single and facing something together. Now come to the next topic, and that is adjective. Question is, what is an adjective? The answer is the adjective. Words or group of words which modifies, qualifies, gives additional information about a noun or pronoun is called adjective. Let's take an example to get it better. They are honest about their work. Here, honest is an adjective because the word is giving more information about a pronoun, so it is an adjective. Question: does adjective have types? If yes, then how many types of adjectives are in English grammar? The answer is yes. Adjective has types. Here, there are 8 types of adjective in English grammar. Following these are the adjective. These are proper adjective, descriptive adjective, quantitative adjective, numerical adjective, demonstrative adjective, distributive adjective, interrogative adjective, and lastly possessive adjective. The question arises that what is a proper adjective? The answer is proper adjective. Adjectives which modifies, qualifies a noun or a pronoun is called proper adjective. For an example, these are Japanese animations. Here, Japanese is an adjective because it is modifying a pronoun. Now comes to the next type of adjective, and that is descriptive adjective. Adjective which indicates a noun or pronoun is called descriptive adjective. For an example, Samantha is an attractive woman. Attractive is an adjective because it is indicating about a noun. The next type of adjective is quantitative adjective. Adjective which qualifies a noun, pronoun by quantity is called quantitative adjective. For an example, they have a lot of work to do. Here, a lot of work is an adjective because it is modifying or giving an additional information about a pronoun. The next type of adjective is numerical adjective. Adjective which shows number of nouns or the order of noun or a pronoun is called numerical adjectives. For an example, Krishna is the eighth carnation of Lord Vishnu. Here, eight number is showing 8 is showing number and also the order of a noun, so it is a numerical adjective. The next type of adjective is demonstrative adjective. Adjective which shows the relative position of a noun, pronoun is called demonstrative adjective. For an example, this is your pencil. Here, this is a demonstrative adjective because it is showing space, so it is a demonstrative adjective. The next type of adjective is distributive adjective. Words, its definition is words that used to refer noun or pronoun in a group member as an individual is called distributive adjective. For an example, every human being is feeling an emotion. Here, every is a distributive adjective because it is referring a similar group as an individual. The next type of adjective is interrogative adjective. What is an interrogative adjective? Adjective or adjectives which modifies a noun or pronoun is an interrogative adjective. For an example, which animal is friendly? Here, which is modifying a noun, so it is an interrogative adjective. The next type of adjective is possessive adjective. Words which shows possession, authority, ownership with a noun or pronoun is called possessive adjective. Let's take an example to get it better understand. It is your efforts. Here, your is a possessive adjective because it is showing possession with a noun. Thank you guys for watching videos. Stay tuned for more videos.